Press duplicating key button in home page. Choose tubular. Check if the original key can work well. Fix the original key on tubular key clamp. Please pay attention how to fix it. Click the image of tubular key clamp to start duplicating. Take out the original key and fix a new key blank on tubular key clamp. Click Cut button to start cutting. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp the new key. Take out the new key. Now, you can have a try if the new key works well.